Hi, this is Brian. Welcome back to another Optimize Plus One. In our last Plus One, we planted some trees with John F. Kennedy. Recall that he told us, "I am reminded of the story of the great French Marshal Laity, who once asked his gardener to plant a tree. The gardener objected that the tree was slow growing and would not reach maturity for 100 years. The marshal replied, 'In that case, there is no time to lose. Plant it this afternoon.'" Did you plant a little tree yesterday? Today, I want to chat about another powerful bit of forward-thinking wisdom from JFK with another goosebumps-inspiring video clip. Check it out in the Plus One. But before we do that, I want to take a trip back into our Plus One archives for another piece of JFK wisdom that is especially relevant in these stormy times. You know when he tells us is the best time to repair the roof? When the sun is shining. The next best time? Right now. So, Kennedy gave us that tree quote in a speech in California on March 23rd of 1962. Let's head a little east to Texas and fast forward 6 months to September 12th of 1962, where he had this to say about our nascent space program. He says, "But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? We choose to go to the moon in this decade," he says with his amazing accent, "and do the other things not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we are willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one which we intend to win." End quote. That's today's Plus One. Where are you headed? What challenging goal is serving to organize and measure the best of your energies and skills? Is today a good day to commit/recommit and give us all you got? Fantastic. See you on the moon.